Your Dow Jones is the first out of the indexes to break up out of a pattern. As you guys can see here, downward channel, very bullish. You guys broke out, very weak breakout though. But your price target is most likely going to be $471.66. Now, you guys did get a bearish candle and you guys are still under the 200-day moving average. So the odds of this playing out is very low. But if you do clear that 200-day moving average, you will most likely hit that price target. Here's your NASDAQ still stuck in the pattern that was set, and you guys are coming back up currently to retest the 200-day moving average, which is currently sloping over. Once it goes flat, it can give you an either or. Either it will go above the 200-day moving average or get rejected and go lower. Most of the time when it goes flat and you're already under it, you're most likely going to get rejected and go lower. But we will see what the NASDAQ decides to do. Your S&P 500 looks like it bounced off of this support line that was previously broken. Found support on it again. But you guys have not broken up out of the pattern and you guys are not above the 200-day moving average, the yellow line. So we still have to wait on this one to have a confirmed bounce. Your TLT is also breaking up out of the pattern. How you guys would measure this one is just from the back. I like grabbing the middle. And then you can see, oh, would you look at that? We're going to come right back up and hit the 200-day moving average most likely. Now, this will take some time, probably. Although there is a gap up here that it will want to fill. So it's going to hit very close to the 200-day moving average and very close to your price target, most likely. This is a very high probability. Your 2-year yield is still chugging away, still flying up, went way past where I predicted where it was going to go. But as long as it stays bouncing on this trend line here, you're going to most likely keep going up. Your 10-year yield looks like it may be slowing down a little bit. It would be hitting this trend line right here. And then if you guys bounce on it, cool, still go higher. Bad news, inflation will most likely go higher because if the 10-year yield goes up, your inflation most likely goes higher as well. Now your Bitcoin is just bouncing around. Looks like you guys are still in this rising flag, which can break lower and easily fly through this accumulation zone. The 200-day moving average is coming back down, and you guys, we don't know where it's going to go until it breaks one of these two lines. Your XRP is still going horizontal as well, so we do not know where it's going to go. But as soon as we break this upper line or this lower line, we will have a direction that has a high probability of it going to. Your gold looks like it's trying to reverse, trying to go back up, but we'll see what happens because now you're just leaving gaps everywhere. Like you have a gap over here, over here, over here. So who knows? It may just come right back up to here and then come further down, but we'll see what happens. Your silver looks like it found support on this trend line here. So most likely you guys are going to fill these gaps. I don't know about this upper one, but for sure these lower ones, especially this one that it basically filled today, but left another gap there down below. But healthy move would be just to come straight down to the 200-day moving average, then give you a sweet bounce, a sweet run like over here. And that is all for today. Your markets look like they're going to start shifting around now, a little turnaround, and it's going to be very exciting. And I will see you guys again Friday.